Hey everyone, Linus here. Today we're diving into the world of semiconductors. These tiny chips are the brains behind our smartphones, computers, cars, pretty much all our electronics. Ever wondered how they're made? Buckle up because we're going on a microscopic adventure. Semiconductors are special materials that can conduct electricity under certain conditions. This unique property allows them to control the flow of electrons, acting like tiny switches that turn on and off millions of times per second. This is what makes all our digital gadgets possible. But hang on, how do we go from raw materials to these intricate microscopic circuits? Well, it all starts with a surprising ingredient: sand. The journey begins with silicon, the second most abundant element on Earth, found in plain old sand. First, the silicon is extracted and purified to an incredibly high degree. We're talking 99.9999999% pure. That's like finding a single grain of salt in an Olympic-sized swimming pool. This ultra-pure silicon is then melted down and grown into large cylindrical crystals called ingots. These ingots are sliced into thin, round wafers, kind of like slicing a loaf of bread. Each wafer will eventually become home to hundreds, even thousands of individual chips. These wafers are polished to a mirror finish because even the tiniest imperfection can ruin a chip. Think of it like this. You wouldn't want a scratch on your phone screen, right? Same principle applies here, but on a much smaller scale. Now the fun begins. Building a chip on the wafer is like building a city, layer by layer. This process is called photolithography, and it's how we create those intricate circuits you see in close-ups of microchips. Imagine shining a light through a stencil onto a photosensitive material. The exposed areas harden and the unexposed areas can be washed away. In chip manufacturing, we use UV light and incredibly precise stencils called masks to create the circuit patterns on the wafer. This process is repeated dozens of times, with each layer adding a new element to the circuit. We're talking transistors, capacitors, resistors, all the components needed for a functioning chip. It's like adding roads, buildings and power lines to our city, one layer at a time. And there you have it, folks. From a simple grain of sand to a powerful microprocessor, the journey of semiconductor manufacturing is a testament to human ingenuity and precision. These tiny chips, often smaller than a fingernail, power our world in ways we often take for granted. Without semiconductors, we wouldn't have smartphones, laptops, or even the internet as we know it. They are the unsung heroes of the digital age, and understanding how they're made gives us a whole new appreciation for the technology we use every day. So, next time you open your laptop or send a text message, remember the incredible journey of the semiconductor, from sand to silicon, and everything in between.